The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to issue the final rulings of its term this week.
The cases are controversial, from affirmative action to same-sex weddings. KTLA 5's Eric Spillman in our newsroom with the latest details. Eric, good morning.
Morning, Chris. Morning, Megan. People who borrowed money to go to college will definitely care about one Supreme Court ruling that is coming out this week. It will decide if the government can wipe out some student loan debt. Earlier this year, those who favor student loan forgiveness demonstrated in front of the Supreme Court. President Biden wants to erase up to $20,000 in student loan debt for millions of Americans. The court will decide if he can move forward with that plan.
It's about accessibility to education. It's about making sure we have equitable access to education all across the nation.
6 Republican states are challenging Biden's proposal. A few months ago, when the court heard oral arguments on the case, the conservative majority questioned whether the president has the power to cancel student loan debt.
We're talking about $500 billion and 43 million Americans.
It's illegal, it's unconstitutional, it's wrong for working families across the nation.
Supreme Court is also tackling the controversy over affirmative action in college admissions. It will decide if colleges can continue to consider the race of students. The justices heard a case from Harvard and another one from the University of North Carolina. Both schools say affirmative action is necessary to promote diversity on campus. Opponents argue that it gives an unfair advantage to people from minority groups. Finally, the court will decide a case involving a Colorado graphic designer named Lori Smith. She's an evangelical Christian, and she wants to expand her business to do wedding websites. But the law in Colorado would require her to do same-sex wedding sites if she also does opposite-sex wedding sites. And she is opposed to gay marriage. She says that Colorado law violates her right of free speech. But opponents say if she wins, that could open the door to all kinds of discrimination.
People with disabilities, African Americans, Jews, Muslims, others could find themselves without access to the marketplace. You can't define your service, so you exclude an entire category of people.
So when are we going to see these big Supreme Court decisions? Well, it's likely the first batch of them will be issued early tomorrow morning. We'll send it back to you.